Hey everybody, I'm Jason Yoder. Welcome to my channel. This is where I share with you my passions for travel and photography. Well, it's the end of the month, so it's time for me to show you guys the images that I've been selling in the stock photography world. Let's do this. I've been spending the last month exploring the beautiful state of Arizona. So if you want to take a look at some of the amazing photography I've been doing, click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. But time for us to talk about what's sold in the stock photography market. This first one's a bit of a surprise for me. I filmed an episode from my hometown of Topeka, Indiana, and there's really not a whole lot of things there that are photogenic except for this, which is our 1911 train depot. And believe it or not, that one just sold. Here's some photos I sold on Getty Images. This first one is nothing more than a field of yellow flowers extending out to the horizon with some power lines. I shot this on a trip through Saskatchewan, Canada to a place called the Cricket Bush. So if you're looking for a roadside oddity in the middle of nowhere, this is where you need to go. Also sold on Getty Images this month is this pergola in a park in Cadiz, Spain. I noticed that the Spanish love to have highly ornated parks, and this place was absolutely beautiful. Next up is an overhead shot of the lanterns at the Jeonnonse Buddhist Temple in Seoul, Korea. Dreamstime also came through this month. Here's an image of the Basilica San Francisco in Naples, Italy. These next two images would not even be accepted by today's standards because the resolution is so small. These were taken with my original digital camera. This image, also sold on Dreamstime, is from the Grand Tetons National Park, and as a matter of fact, this image actually hangs in my living room. The second image comes from the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, and it's sold this month on Adobe Stock. These next three images also sold on Adobe Stock this month. These are from Congaree National Park. Now, this little national park in South Carolina, you can definitely see some wildlife. Okay, so we're in the swamp, and I'm learning to keep a very close eye on my open backpack. Take a look what's on this tree. Makes you wonder what else is up there. Forget bears, we have alligators. Shutterstock was also really productive for me this month. So this first image is actually from a trip I took out to Hawaii, where I was lucky enough to be able to find the sea turtles, and I believe the place is called Laniakea Beach. But anyhow, the sea turtles just come on up and sunbathe for a while, and it's really cool to watch them. This next image is actually from a trip out to San Diego, California. And I believe these are called the Sunset Cliffs Park, and it's just a wonderful place to go and capture the sunset. These next few images sold, several more of these than what you're seeing in England. These are the Superstition Mountains, and I took a trip out to the Superstition Mountains in January and photographed a sunrise, and it was just absolutely spectacular. But this final image from Shutterstock, this one was taken in Washington State. I think this was January. This is at a place called Haworth Park, and I can tell you that I almost put my gear away and went back to the car, but remember, you never give up on a sunset. And this particular sunset was all over the evening news. It was amazing. Now these last few images actually came from my website, snapbysnap.com. So I do have stock images up there, but I also have fine art images up there as well. And I had a couple of purchases this month. Now on this side, you can buy standard prints. You can do them on metal. You can do them on canvas, mugs, mouse pads, Christmas ornaments, you name it, it's up there. So I invite all of you to take a look at snapbysnap.com. These images that the customer purchased was actually from my episode on capturing an epic sunset. I get a lot of sales from this particular episode, and you can see that the sunset was just absolutely amazing. Hey, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and I would also appreciate a comment or two. I post videos 2 times a week. My topics are generally in travel and of course in photography as well, which are 2 things that I love doing. So I hope to see you in the next episode, and remember, never stop exploring.